Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Java SDK on Windows 11 machine, and the reason we are installing it because we want to run Java program. Okay, for that we need to have a Java SDK installed in our system. Okay, so first of all I need to open the Google search bar, and in the search bar I will type download Java SDK, and then I will go to this particular link. This is the official website from where we will download MSI installer file. Go to Windows since we are using the Windows machine, and I will choose this link, 64-bit MSI installer. So click this link, and this is going to start the download process. So I already have this file in my system, so I'm going to cancel it from here. Okay, I have already installed it. So let me just cancel it and just open the file which I have already downloaded. So I will quickly go to the next. This is where it will be installed. So for safe side, let me just copy and paste the path over here so that I can use to set the environment variable. So later we'll be setting the environment variable and we'll be giving this particular path. Click next. Okay, it is installing at the moment. It will take some time to complete. You just need to wait until this is done and dusted. Okay, look, it is doing something. It is done, so I will click close. After that I will just copy this path, path and paste it over here in my C directory. Okay, now then afterwards I will go to the bin directory and just I will copy the path and I will set the environment variable. So edit the environment variable, edit the system environment variable. Okay, go to path over here and I will set the path so that every user can use Python. Okay, now path is provided. I will click OK, then I will click OK. Afterwards I will open the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt and I will run this as an administrator. Click yes. Now afterwards I will just type a command java dash dash version and I will press enter, and you will see the latest version has been installed. Now you are ready to use Java. You're ready to create Java programs. I hope you have gone through the process. At the end I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.